Hello everyone. So in this video we will know how to blink the onboard LED in Raspberry Pi Pico using MicroPython. Before moving towards the hardware part, let's see how it actually works in an online simulation called WOKWI. So this is a WOKWI interface that we will use to simulate the same thing that we will be going to use in the hardware part. So when you come to this website WOKWI, which the link will be in the description, you will have to first sign up, then you have to scroll down and you will be seeing this Raspberry Pi Pico and here MicroPython on Raspberry Pi Pico. You have to click this and you will be redirected to somewhat like this, where you will see that the Raspberry Pi Pico is on the right side and here we have the space to write our code. So before moving towards the code part, let me just tell you one thing, that there are 40 pins in Raspberry Pi Pico, out of which the pin number 25 indicates the LED which is present in the Raspberry Pi Pico. That is the onboard LED, which the objective is of this video, that we have to blink that. So let's move towards the code part. And for the code, we are using MicroPython. So you need to have some knowledge about Python. So this is the code. Let's see if it is working or not. As you can see, the LED is blinking and our objective is achieved. Let's see what are the things that we needed. Here is the GPIO pin 25 that I was talking about, which indicates the LED pin. LED.value1 refers to on, LED.value0 refers to off, and sleep of 2 seconds is the interval, that is the blinking interval, that will be on or off. Now let's move to the hardware part. So before moving towards the hardware part, we need to install a software where we will be writing our MicroPython. So for that we need to install the software called Thonny, and we can do that by the link given in the description, which is thonny.org. When you will click it, it will redirect to this page. And one more thing before installing it, uh, the prerequisite for this is you should be having Python installed in a system, and then we can click over to Windows if you have Windows, Macs or Linux depending upon the system that you have. Once you click it, the download will be started and you have to install it. Once it is installed, you will see an interface like this, where you will see it is written local Python 3. You have to choose the Raspberry Pi Pico. So now coming to the hardware part, I have connected my Raspberry Pi Pico with a USB cable to my system, and as you can see we have opened the Thonny app, Thonny software. Now let's just connect our Raspberry Pi Pico here by selecting from local Python 3 to Raspberry Pi Pico COM4. Now it is all set. Let's write the program that we have already written in the online simulator. as we have written. Let's see if it is working or not. And by this you can see the LED is blinking with a sleep of 2 seconds, and we completed our objective.